Alright, day 6. I don't know how many more days we can do this. Recording it. I don't have the energy to be talking at 6 in the morning. So maybe we do like 2 videos a week. I don't know. But let's get it going. Day 6. Alright, you know the deal. Define our bias, draws on liquidity, and we get it going. Alright, red is bearish, blue is bullish. We're on the 4-hour time frame right now. Be a good trading day. I feel good. I feel good today. We have 2 4-hour gaps. One that's been tapped into has been respected, sending us down. But we also have this bigger one that got disrespected, and then we made a bullish gap. So we disrespected this one, tapped into this small gap, went back down. But as we disrespect this one, we made a bullish gap. So we disrespected this, tapped into another gap, worked our way down. We're currently in that bullish gap that was made, and the next 4-hour candle opens at 7. So we're gonna wait and see if this gap gets respected or disrespected, and based off that, we'll target low, yesterday's low, or we'll target these equal highs, relative equal highs up here, which we know are high draws on liquidity. So if we respect, we'll target this. If we disrespect, we'll target the daily low. So now we just wait till 7 to see what this gap does. All right, day 6. Okay, so I marked everything out on ES, MES. The difference I noticed are that the bullish gap is outside of the bearish gap on ES, and we're failing to even tap into it on ES. Also, this gap we've already disrespected on ES, and then there's no relative equal highs on ES. Those are like the three differences that I noticed. I think it's telling us that we're bullish because we already disrespected this, failing to tap into this. This one's already tapped into it. I think we're bullish for today. I think we look for longs. All right. I think the new 4-hour opens somewhere up here, which will leave us with this wick. So we'll be here for the new 4-hour. We'll wait for it to tap back into that wick, and we'll go long. So this 4-hour gap inside of this. So we're in the 4-hour now. We've already wicked right here. We already wicked right here. And the next one opens at 7 a.m. So I think the next one we're gonna work our way up. 7 a.m. one opens here. Trade back into this wick. Take this wick out. And then we look for longs. Targeting the relative equal highs. Break even at daily high. Maybe we take out break even, daily high. Or should we take profit at daily high? We can take profit at daily high. And we know when our break even. Our full TP will be here. Alright, let's mark it out. We'll enter about right here. So that wick, we'll take it out, enter about right here. Trade up. This will be our break even point. But since we know most times, touch our break even point and then it stops us out when we move our stop loss. So we'll take profit at break even. Watch it come back down. Enter again. And take full TP. Maybe another gap will be made so we can take profit. Watch it tap back into a gap. Enter again. And hit full TP. Or we can do limit orders today. So we'll enter 2. Alright, so we're going to do 2. Now we just wait. Now we wait for 7 a.m. to open. Alright, this line is 7 a.m. So I've been waiting. I marked this out so I could see when the 7 a.m. candle opens. And we did make a fat wick down here. And see, there you go. 7 a.m. candle open. We respected the bullish gap. on the 4-hour. So we're gonna trade up, probably trade back down. Maybe we take this out. I don't know. We'll see what happens. And then we go higher. Or maybe we just go high right now. That would be our break even point. We trade back down, enter, and then we could target this. Relative equal highs. Alright, and let's see on ES. Yeah, ES fully respected the bullish gap. You can see. Came down, respected it, and we're up here now. There's no equal high on ES, but it's the same. It's this candle on NQ. It's this one on ES. So I think we are good for longs. We just gotta wait. Try to find an entry, maybe on like a 5-minute or some lower time frame gap. So we're gonna try to find our entry, and then we'll get going. Down, see? Trading back down. Maybe we take this on ES. It's way down here. So maybe we take it out on NQ, fail to take it out on ES, and then I don't know why, but that's what I learned. The one that fails is the one that makes the move faster. So ES should fail and make the move faster up. Either way, I think we're good for longs. All right, so let's see it. Take this out, trade up, and then we'll enter off of a gap there if we get a gap. If we don't get a gap, we'll take this out, trade back down, and then we'll enter there, and then go long. All right, been waiting for a minute now. This gap is getting respected. Sending price a little farther down. That's the 1 hour. We probably won't be taking that out today. It's moving pretty slow. I don't know. I would say that we could wait for the next hour to open, but honestly, we respected this gap, sending it down. Maybe we don't take this out. ES is really moving up. It is being the faster one moving up. We can try to find an entry on the lower time frame. There's a 10-minute right here. I guess we could wait for that to be tapped into to enter. Yeah, we'll just wait for that 10-minute to get tapped into and look for longs. Do we have a reason to take this out again? Maybe we do take it out while we're waiting for this 10-minute. Maybe we don't get an entry back up, keep going down to here, and then we find the entry to go up. We'll just have to see what happens. Okay, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wait for the 10-minute. 10-minute, tap into the 10-minute, and then we go up. But what I don't know is if, okay, so if we're gonna tap the 10-minute, that means we're gonna have this swing high up here to take out. So we tap the 10-minute, so we'll work our way down, tap it, come back up, wait for the closure over the swing high. Price will come down a little bit, and then we'll enter for a long. It's a pretty good entry too. So let's sit on our hands and wait. All right, we're working our way into that 10-minute. See what happens. Let's respect that 10-minute, hopefully. I mean, we still could take out this. No, I think it's too far, right? I don't know. All right, let's see. Let's respect this 10-minute. See if we can respect bullish, disrespect bearish on the 1 minute. So we respected bullish. Let's see if we could disrespect this bearish candle. That's fine, though we're trading out of it because we're still in the 10-minute. So we can go in there, but this could be a wick, and that's fine as long as it closes. Yep, see? Okay, so hopefully that stops there. And let's see it disrespect this 1 minute. Let's see what happens. All right, this is London high. That's London high. So we can enter a long right now. Break even right here. Full TP right here. Since I do feel like these equal highs are too far up for us to try to reach right now. We're showing action that we want to respect the 10-minute. So I'm thinking we go long right now. Or not right now, but very soon. So this one's gonna close above it. Let me tap that. Yeah, we're gonna try to find something right now. All right, so let's trade down a little bit, get a little discounted price. Maybe like right here. Or do we wait for this 10 minutes to get disrespected? Or do we have enough confluences to tell us that we can do it? I think we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for this one to get disrespected. Because we could also still just, we're bearish, so we can also still target this low, this daily low. That one's not a bad idea either. See the daily low, it's not too far away. And we are bearish. But if we disrespect this 10 minute, I think we can go long. It is a 10 minute high inside of a gap to ITH. ITH inside of a 10 minute. Another high draw on liquidity. London high is also another ITH. I still think we're good for longs. Let's just watch for that 10 minute to get disrespected. Or what was it, the 1 minute? Yeah, 1 minute. Okay, if we don't break through this, we're gonna go long. No, wait. Wait for the 1 minute. Wait, we're always gonna, not always, but we could still get our entry back in. Because we could enter right now and it'll go up, but then that 1 minute still might want to send price down. Okay, this is another 1 minute. Okay, if we take this out, we still have this that we wanted to take out at first to make the real move. Honestly, I think this is all just noise, and we still have to wait for this to get taken out and then move up. So all the boxes are 4 hour gaps, which is good. Yeah, I think we take this out and go up. I mean, it's like there's money to be made both ways. Let's take out this sell side. All right, let's take out the sell side. We'll still be in the 10 minute candle. But we're actually respecting bearish a lot. Are we gonna respect this 1 minute? There's another 1 minute that just got made right there. So let's see closure above this line. Then we disrespect this 1 minute. We're respecting higher time frame. We could still disrespect it. If we don't disrespect this, take out sell side and then we disrespect them. But we gotta wait for this one to get disrespected. Okay, we took out the sell side on the 1 minute, but we're still in the 10 minute. And it does look bad, but it could still just be a wick and we close above it. If it doesn't, I think we just go short and target daily low. Yeah, this looks pretty bad, but if we wick, then I think longs are still good. If not, then we're targeting daily low. We might be doing shorts because longs are not giving us what we want to see. Okay, this 10 minute is starting to wick, but if it doesn't close up here, then we're doing shorts. All right, yeah, let's get ready to short. We have 2 minutes to make our way back up into the 10 minute. If we don't make it back up, we're shorting. We are shorting. Okay, yep. Disrespected bullish. Respecting bearish. So we're going short. You guys see that though? Bearish. Bullish. Disrespected. So now we're gonna short. And we're gonna short when we respect this 2 minute, this 3 minute. We're taking out our buy side. Or is that an inverse? I think we short right now. Okay, yeah, let's sell 2. All right, that's actually pretty good. 243. We want to risk like 250 on our evals per trade. So we're going to target the daily low because we disrespected this 10 minute and we respected this 10 minute right here. I guess it's an inverse fair value gap, but I don't really use those, so I don't know how good that is. We do have a bearish gap right here, bearish 1 minute that we respected and we are currently respecting. Hopefully it keeps respecting, like hopefully it actually plays through. We're gonna set a limit right here at our This will be our break even. 1. Okay, 1 buy limit at our break even. And then full TP at our daily low. Disrespect this 1 minute. Then we should feel much more stronger. There's a 2-minute gap that it looks like we want to disrespect. Alright, let's disrespect this 2-minute gap. But also this low, look at this low. I feel like once price touches this low, it'll send us back up. So should this be our break-even point? Let's just run it with this, with what we have. Okay, we disrespected that 2-minute. Let's watch for this. Our daily low's already marked out. So we just gotta watch for those to get taken out. I don't know, we're just gonna watch for ES, make sure it doesn't take it out. Wait, look at this little gap on the 5-minute. Look at how many times we tap in and respect it. That does not look good. Look at that. Wicked it, respected it. This is not good. And then we're targeting that ITH inside of the gap. This isn't looking good. We disrespected 10-minute. Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna get stopped out. Bro, that makes no sense, bro. Like, literally everything told us that we could do shorts. All right, let's do that to ATH. 500. Yeah, no, this is bad. This is actually really bad. You're not supposed to move your stop loss. Do not do that. It's a bad habit that could be made, moving my stop loss. Bro, literally everything's telling us that we can go lower. Literally, we disrespected this 10-minute, bro. Why are we going back up? This doesn't make sense, bro. I didn't want to target the ITH because we disrespected this 10-minute. But when am I supposed to enter a trade? I waited for it to get disrespected. Am I supposed to wait again? I don't get it. We waited for it to get disrespected. Came back up on the lower time frame. We waited. Okay, disrespected. Came back, tapped into it again. Saw it was respecting it. And then we entered. Then we're good. And then it goes back up. Like what? ES is reaching the daily high. We are so far from that daily high. Daily high is all the way up here. NQ is way farther from the daily high than ES is. ES is about to touch the daily high. Maybe that's why we went up. Because people want to touch the high on ES. So everybody's buying to send price up. Why aren't we doing a 1-to-1? If we would have done a 1-to-1, we would have hit TP. See? 1-to-1, we would have hit TP on a 1-to-1. We entered right here. Boom. TP hit 1-to-1. 226. That is not bad. 500 gives us 4 trades until our account is blown. So if we lose this, we got 3 more trades and then our account is blown. But we aren't just trading. We're actually like, I think we're going to keep going up until ES takes out the daily high. NQ fails to take it and then we go lower. It's 810. Yeah, I think we just keep waiting. All right, so ES is about to take out the daily high. Hopefully it takes it out now and then we fail on NQ and make that fast move down if we don't get stopped out. There's also this gap. I would want to move my stop loss here, but I know I shouldn't. So we're just gonna pray and hope that ES takes it out and then we make our fast move down and we get away from our stop loss. We'll see what happens though. Why can't I just be like a rich, spoiled kid, just chilling with unlimited money? All right, ES took it out. Clearly, we failed to take it out on NQ. But since this is an ITH, I feel like we are going to take this ITH out. And that's barely anything, so we are going to get stopped out. Hopefully not. How do I know when I'm not supposed to trade? I want to be able to look at the chart and be like, yeah, nah, and then go on about my day. I've been sitting here for 2 hours now. 2 hours just sitting and tapping, or 9 hours working like actual stuff, or 2 hours just sitting here, you know? Is that lazy? My chud. I don't want to be in the sun unless I'm at the beach in Puerto Rico or somewhere. But yeah, we're getting stopped out for sure. This 10-minute played us. You really thought disrespect this? I'm like nope. Psych, you thought. Alright, so since this is our first losing day, the good stuff we can get out of it is that we followed rules, waited, were patient, didn't force anything, just didn't work out. Our first idea was to be bullish, and then this 10-minute played us. Yeah, honestly, it was just this 10-minute. Really played us, man. It didn't even take out this sell side. Maybe instead of focusing on this gap, we should have waited for this. Like, since we saw that this didn't get taken out. No. Honestly, we should have did the 1-1. Should have hit a 1-1. Faster trades, less risk. Tomorrow we're gonna remember to do 1-to-1s. No big home run plays. We took out the ITH. Could go lower. We didn't disrespect this 4-hour gap. We respected this 4-hour gap. So we could, possibly could still go lower. Let's see the 1 hour. I think it plays out. I think we get stopped out, but it plays out. Yeah, we should have just hit the 1-on-1 earlier instead of trying to get a big win. How do you even get those big wins? What is it, Wednesday? I guess we're collecting data. Wednesdays are slow. Yep. Well, that's day 6. Took a L. I think I'm gonna look back in a couple hours and it is gonna be where I said it was gonna be. Why didn't we take out AM low? I don't know. Took out AM high in the lunch session. I don't know. Okay, that's day 6. Let's start going for 1-to-1s. So tomorrow we're gonna target a good 1-to-1. We're not gonna try to get this long move, get this big win. 200 and whatever that was. It's gonna be slow to build our accounts. Let's say we have 5 accounts, $200 each. That's 1,000. So 1-to-1. In the future, that's what we want. We want to be at 5 accounts. Target a little bit of money across 5 accounts, or even more. We did the 1-to-1. All right, let's go. That's day 6. We're gonna get there. Come back for day 7.